video, I'm going to show you how I created this mandala using stop motion animation. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's me Saurabh Gunaji starting off with this brand new video. So today's video is going to be something very much different from what I created earlier. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this mandala using stop motion animation along with some tips and tricks. So without wasting much time, let's get started with this video. I hope you all like the mandala art stop motion. This was my first time creating such type of videos. So please do give your feedback in the comment section. Before coming up to the tips and tricks, check out this amazing B-roll of the mandala art. the video so far. So the stop motion animation which you had seen earlier was a compilation of 532 photos which I had clicked during the process of sketching. So which was a very hard work. So please to give a thumbs up and do share. So before coming up to the tips and tricks, I would like to tell you all that I am not any mandala expert. This is just what I have learned during the process of my mandala sketching. So coming up to tip number 1, start with smaller mandalas at the initial stage of drawing so that with practice and experience you can become perfect, and with time you can increase the size of the mandala. Like this. This is an A3 size mandala which I had created and it took me almost 3 days to complete. So patience is very much important, which covers the tip 2. Never hurry to complete a mandala as it requires a lot of patience and time. If you go to hurry up, you will just mess up with the mandala and which you will regret later. So always do it slowly and patiently. Coming up to tip number 3, always have a rough plan idea about how your mandala is going to look when it is completed, because mistakes can ruin your mandala. So try to avoid or make less mistakes as much as possible. So that was all for the tips and tricks from my side till now. So coming up to the next topic of what materials and equipment I have used to draw this mandala. So wait a second. So to complete this mandala, I have used this ordinary pencil, a compass, a protector, ruler, eraser and a micron pen. A micron pen is basically a pen which is used to draw mandala, and the size of this micron pen is 0.05 mm, and the cost of this pen roughly lies between 70 to 120 rupees. So that's all for this video I have got. I hope you enjoyed and liked this art video on my channel which I tried something new. So please do comment down in the comment section of whether should I continue uploading such videos on my channel. So with that said guys, see you all in the next video. Till then, like the video, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe. I hope you all like the mandala art stop motion. This is my first time creating such type of videos, so please do give your feedback in the comment section. Before coming up with the tips and tricks, check out the B-roll of the drawing.